Travel. It's a fairly new company, but it's been they getting a lot of different affiliates to it. And basically what the ideal is behind this is getting discounted travel. It says when you understand the system, how it works, you can travel at huge discounts. And so, basically with this company, you can get your dream vacations for the most part at crazy, discounted prices. And then when they compare them to things like, Travelocity, Hotwire and all those, it makes a huge difference. The savings on it is like ridiculous. So they kind of give you some type of examples. So, for instance, I think this would be your savings, so this will be the price. This will be everybody else's price, right? And they usually have like 4 or 5 day vacations, things like that. So what I'm telling you guys now is start, making some travel capture pages or websites that you can capitalize on, because a lot of people are talking, having that vacation talk again. And when I first started, the company that I first started with was called World Ventures, guys. This company right here is still around. It's an amazing company. Absolutely amazing company. Like, they've been around forever. They still have those big huge seminars and things like that. So if you guys want to swipe from some of these websites, you can definitely do so, and just change the logos out to your own name. So what I usually would, this is what I would tell you guys: if you decide to take some of these websites, I'm going to show you how you can get actual travel trips that actually work and that do a great job at huge discounts, and you can pretty much start your own traveling business on the back end. All right, so let me go back to Gifu. With this company, I'm not a part of it. I'm not even an affiliate of this company. To actually join and become a member, you need to be an affiliate or whatever, but I just see a lot of people promoting this thing, so this is neither here nor there. I'm going to show you how you can do certain this stuff for free, and a lot of this stuff you can look up, like 100 buddy passes and travel reward credits instead of paying 120 a month. I'm just going to show you how you can pretty much sign up to something for free, and that way you will have that initiative to be able to sell travel. And what you can do is go to, let me see, here's a website. This way you guys can have some, it's called bookvip.com, right? This way you guys can have some type of backing whenever you're promoting your offers, right? This company actually legit. Now honestly, they do have a couple of bad reviews, but I think all companies do. But I've seen a few good reviews as well. The people who actually went on some of these trips as well. They got something called timeshare. Not really sure what that is. Haven't really looked into it that much, but they actually get you can get discounted vacations. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can become an affiliate for free. Okay, with this company, right? Become an affiliate for free. You just pretty much click join our affiliate program. He'll explain in this video what you can do. You sign up for free, guys. You'll earn 30% of each commission that whenever someone buys, you'll earn 30% of it, and you paid nothing to do that. So it's a free business, and people love travel. And so what you can do is build you a landing page around travel. So I'm just going to use this for an example because I've made this a long time ago. I think some of you guys may remember this, but I'm actually going to make a really good presentable website, actually probably that looks similar to the Book VIP website. Let me see, just so you guys can see again. I will probably make it similar to this with actual trips, because this would be a good landing page for you to be able to promote on social media, right? And the thing is, you're not being dishonest, because these are actual trips that they have, and then once they go through the locker, it'll unlock, and then they'll be able to go purchase whatever trip or sign up and do whatever they want to do to get these trips. And so that way you can be comfortable with yourself, knowing that you're not misleading anybody or doing anything like that. And so for instance, let me click on this. Let's see what it says. Okay, and see they have other people there at the trips that sharing their experiences and stuff like that. So you can really pretty much swipe this entire thing if you wanted to. But or if you sign up as an affiliate, they may just give you a site for yourself. So I'm not really sure how that works. You can try that out. But let's see some of the things that they have here. Reserve now, 3 nights, hotel accommodations, and a water park that's included. Well, that's pretty dope. So yeah, I mean, this is dope. And like I said, guys, you can use these and post these on social media. So if you see something that looks, you know, presentable, you know, a 5-star, you know, beach resort in Cabo, $4.99 per couple. And I'm not sure if they do, it says you save 73%, so I'm not sure exactly who they're comparing it to. And then show you all the stuff that you get with it, which is good. Customer reviews and things like that for people who's on the trip, so that's good. The testimonials and all of that. So yeah, I mean, you know, they're backed by a lot of people as well. And I mean, hey, if you start posting, let me just go through this first because this is something I made, but this wasn't tied to that. But let me just show you. Somebody want to go to Bora Bora, I'll just click Bora Bora, how many visitors for, and then we'll say the name. I'll just say Chris, how many tickets? Let's say just 2, well, 4 tickets. And we'll say book my vacation. So something like this, as simple as this. And then right after that, when they fill out the locker, what should happen, what would happen typically is that the travel website will pop, your travel website will pop up. Then they will be able to go through, you know. So what you would basically do is just scan the website, find out the trips, build your landing page around it, you know, something that has, you know, some of these trips on there. That way it's the exact trips, you know, when they go through your locker, your landing page, that they know, okay, this is the trip that I'm looking for to get it at this price. So for instance, this one here, typically they would say, you know, it's $2,198, but you're going to be paying $5.99 per couple, so you're going to be saving some money, right? 73%, 76%, you know, so you're saving money as well as getting some good travel. And so once that's done, it says human verification. It flashes, prove that you are human. And I was going to go in here. Normally you could say prove that you're a human to get your vacation or whatever. You click begin download. This pops up. They go through one of these, redirects them to the travel business, your traveling business. Once they go in and buy on the back end. So this is how you can get paid twice, guys. Once they go in and buy, especially if you're an affiliate, if they click through here, you're going to get paid from Cpagrip. And then if they buy the vacation, then you're going to get paid from Book VIP, the 30% commission. I believe that's what it was, right, for being an affiliate. So let me go back down here to make sure that that's what it is. So that way you guys can get paid twice. Now people are going to jump all over these vacations because I've been seeing it a lot lately. Yeah, so you'll get 30% commission on all sales with no cap. Right, the majority of our sales are in the $350 to $700, so you're looking at a commission between $105 to $210 per commission, guys, every time that you have somebody book a travel through your site. So I figured coinciding these two with CPA would be amazing. Some of you guys know how to make really good landing pages that you already sent to me, and I'm like, wow, that's really good. So I'm pretty sure you can take this and run with it and start promoting, you know, some travel stuff as well, and be like your own personal travel agent, getting paid twice. And you pretty much didn't pay, well, you really didn't pay any money to be able to do that, because the Book VIP affiliate program was absolutely free to sign up, and then Cpagrip was free to sign up as well. So I mean, hey, it's a win-win right there. I saw that and I was like, okay, that would be really good to do. So I'm gonna redo my website, and I'll probably make another video showing you guys how I'm promoting my stuff. I just want to give you a heads up before I started it, so you guys can start when I start, you know what I mean? So other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. It says finally we have one of the most elaborate Facebook marketing. Okay, so yeah, man, everything is good. And one thing that I like about this is it has a 30-day cookie. Although the vast majority of our travelers book within 7 days, a 30-day cookie will ensure you get a credit for all your booking it generates. So what this means, guys, is when they click on your affiliate site, it throws a cookie on their laptop, which stays on there for 30 days. So for instance, let's say they clicked on your site, they didn't buy a trip, and then let's say like 25 days passed, but they clicked back on the site, that, you know, your cookie will still be on their computer. So if they went to book VIP or whatever, you'll still get credit for that 25 days later, even if they didn't buy it right now. So that's another really cool thing about that. So that's 2 income streams in one, guys. So I can't wait to see you guys' landing pages, your websites with this. I'll definitely make a video once I finish, you know, get my website going and get it up, show you how nice and sleek it looks. And like I said, guys, if you've been watching the other videos, you can easily, you know, find a travel website and, you know, swipe that thing and then kind of change it to how you want to. So other than that, guys, I will be making more videos. I am back and got a lot more content coming. All right, so all my information is below. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell notification, and make sure you share these videos with as many people so we all can get paid. All right, peace.